इंसान की सबसे अच्छी वैरायटी जो है ना वो औरत है।
That I am a powerful woman. So yeah.
उनको महारानी बना के रखे, उसको जो चाहिए उससे ज्यादा उसको दे।
Women, strong, resilient and unstoppable. Today on Women's Day, I set out to ask a simple question about women power and about their impact in their lives. And the answers that I received were truly diverse and inspiring, just like the women's. So how any woman has impacted your life?
Well, I'm surrounded by women. I've got sisters, I've got a wife, a daughter. So I think we all have a responsibility to do everything we can to help women on their journey and to achieve as much equality as possible. Equality in all ways.
जहाँ नारियों की पूजा होती है वहीं देवता निवास करते हैं। ऐसा मैंने अपने घर में देखा है। मैंने देखा है अपनी दादी को, मेरे दादाजी का साथ देकर 5 बेटों को विभिन्न पदों पर पहुंचाया। आदमी को भी आदमी बनाती है एक औरत। औरत से बड़ा दुनिया में कुछ नहीं है। औरत ही शुरुआत है, औरत ही क्या है, अंत है, और औरत अनादि।
There have been a lot of prevalent women in my life, and all throughout they've always supported me and empowered me to do whatever I want to do. The biggest person probably is my mom. She really got me started with all of my hobbies, all of my interests, and pushed me wherever I needed to be pushed. And
जब मेरी वाइफ मेरी जिंदगी में आई तो मेरे को लगता है उस समय मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि औरत क्या चीज होती है, और औरत के बिना आप जैसे लोग कहते हैं ना अधूरे होते हैं, तो वो मेरे को लगता है वाइफ के बाद मुझे मालूम पड़ा।
giving birth is the biggest thing. Like when you have somebody who's pregnant and who's going through a strenuous 9-month period, and then you see them come to the point where they're finally able to give birth, do it successfully. As a guy, I can never even imagine the pain that women go through just to even give birth, the monthly cycles that they go through, everything around it. It's just, intense. So while I see the pain that they go through, it's just insane that they're able to push through and like on a day-to-day basis perform just as well as any other guy would.
औरत आपको जो कंफर्ट देती है ना, अब जैसे मेरे को बिजनेस में कोई दिक्कत है, मैं पूरे दिन में थोड़ा दिक्कत करके आया, जब घर में आती हो ना तो औरत आपको कहती क्यों मुंह बनाया हुआ है, क्या हुआ, छोड़ो, और जब आपको हक करती है आप सब कुछ भूल जाते हो।
At what point did you realize your woman power?
Like when I saw my mother doing things like no one else did for me, and I've seen her struggle so much, and the role she has played in my life, how she has brought me up single-handedly, and she made me the girl I am today. That's what shows me women empowerment and her upbringing as a girl.
It is completely true when they say that women runs the world. They do, and for that matter, today now the Delhi CM is also a woman, which is a cheering part.
I think the moment that I realized women power and the kind of aura that women hold was during my transition from a co-ed school to an all-girls college, and I noticed that it is really run by a group of sisters. The comfort and the peace that women handle themselves with, even when in an environment when they have to tackle situations where they face discrimination, it is everywhere. But I think that women empowerment is everywhere, and in a place where you're surrounded by women, you can feel it even.
Blessing to be a woman. I can manage home, I can also manage outside world too, so I can do everything, so it's impactful in itself.
I always push myself to my limits, and then I realize my power, that I'm so powerful. And whenever I go out in that uniform, it was so proud and so, and then I realized that I am a powerful woman. So yeah.
वुमेन्स के बारे में मैं सिर्फ एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगी, जो औरत घर चला सकती है, जो देश चला सकती है, वो सब कुछ चला सकती है। और हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे। मैं यही कहूँगी सभी लड़कियों से, सभी औरतों से, सबसे पहले अपने लिए खुद खड़ा होना सीखो, और जब अपने लिए खुद खड़े हो जाओगे तुम्हें किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
जो वुमेन्स डे है वो जो सेलिब्रेट आप करते हैं वो सिर्फ एक सेलिब्रेटरी एक टर्म है, लेकिन उसको बड़ा जबरदस्त सेलिब्रेशन करना चाहिए, लोगों को समझाना चाहिए कि औरत है क्या।
बोल दीजिए हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे।
हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे।
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to all of you. I hope that you